Good day, dear valued viewers. A lot of resources went in for the production of this video course. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video to encourage us. And do not forget to comment on the videos about the ways we can improve. Thank you.
Okay, welcome to this first section of this course. So here we'll be talking on how we're going to be able to install Kali Linux operating system on your Windows operating system using the VirtualBox. So with that being said, let's head on to VirtualBox. So navigating to the official website of VirtualBox. So when you've arrived here, so go ahead and click downloads, go to the download section. So you'll be downloading from your Windows host section, and I guess that starts immediately we click the download button. So I'll go ahead to cancel because I've already downloaded mine. Then before going ahead, so we would want to download the VirtualBox extension pack. So you click here at all supported platform, as you can see. So I'll go ahead to cancel my course. I've downloaded mine. So let's navigate to the kali.org. This is where we'll be downloading our Kali Linux operating system. So we're either installing it as an ISO installer image, or we're running it with the virtual machines format. So this installer images, you get to install it step by step, and in that you can be able to customize its usage. Why this virtual machine, this has already been pre-installed on. So all you just got to do is to download and run it via your VirtualBox. So this is what we'll be going for, the virtual machine. So you click here. So this is the VirtualBox. I'm running 64 bits on Windows, so it's 3 gig. So go ahead and click, and it will get to download right away. So I'm going to cancel this. So with that being said, let's navigate to our download section where we can see what we've downloaded. So this is the Kali Linux virtual format, and it's 3 gig. This is the Oracle extension pack, and this is the VirtualBox proper. So go ahead to run this. I already ran mine, so sorry. No, let's run it normal without the extension, just open. But if you feel that you want to run it as an administrator, yeah, you can also do that. But I prefer running it that way. So if you can run as an administrator, it's also good. So I'll go ahead to click next. So just like I said earlier, I've already installed my VirtualBox. That's why I'm getting these two options right here, either to remove or to repair. But yours is just the start, and this next button will be unfrozen. You just keep clicking next, and you stick with the default settings that appear on each pane. So with that being said, I'll click cancel, and this is what you'll be getting after you finish installation. And you just go ahead to you'll be getting, but yours will be a positive indication showing that you successfully completed installation of the VirtualBox. But I've already installed mine, that's why it's giving me this the setup window was interrupted. So I'll go ahead to click finish. So I'll be heading to my desktop. So start from the beginning, and this is where mine is. So I'll go ahead and run it. As you can see, there are quite some machines I've already installed on it. So go to Kali Linux right here, and we'll extract. Click extract here, and you'll be getting this particular folder right here. So you go and click on it, and there are two files in it. So we're going for the one with the blue icon that has the 3 kilobytes on. You can just click it. I've already clicked mine and it's already up and running here. So I guess it's going to be giving an error message for that because I've already done mine. So okay, as you can see, it brought an error message. So let's go ahead and click this. But if you click here, you'll be automatically booting up the VirtualBox, and you'll be having this icon right here, Kali Linux. But you also be kind of a spiral shape red icon right here, showing that you haven't installed it before. You're installing it at the very first time. So if yours appeared like this, okay, you're going to go to settings and you go to system, go to processor. I have 4 CPUs, so I just give mine 1. So it's very advisable not to give the virtual machines more than 40% of the host resources. So I'll go to display the video memory to 128 to the max, shift it to the max, and you'll have to enable your 3D acceleration. Okay, with that being done, let's click OK. So let's click start. And as you can see, it's booting up. So we're going to give it time. Okay, as you can see, so we're going to give it time. And so you're definitely on this place, and the default password and username, the default username is Kali, and the password is also Kali. That's the default. So click login. As you can see, so we've come to the end of this particular section. So I'll be seeing you on my next course. So bye for now.